Hello everyone, this is Prasid Banerjee from Digit.in. As you can see, we are at the BlackBerry event today. We have with us the BlackBerry Passport. It's a square screen device, needless to say. It's actually quite good, it's got the Gorilla Glass 3 which brings that premium feel to it. The screen doesn't quite feel as premium as your, say, a Moto G or anything, but this is still probably one of the best screens that BlackBerry has till date. The device overall does look good. You can see the capacitive touchscreen keyboard. It's also, there's also a swipe feature. So I can do compose. I can go into a mail, and when I'm writing, there will be predictions. So I can take a prediction by swiping in the middle. So the screen is divided into 3 parts, and I can take each part and swipe on that part to set that prediction. The problem with this though that I see is that you need to get acquainted to this device and actually practice, because often you end up swiping across and going like this, and this happens. You come back to your home screen. Another thing is, as you can see, I'm trying to do this with one hand and I can't. It's of course not a device for one-handed usage. Not that that's a problem with this phone though. BlackBerry isn't marketing this as a one-handed phone, and to be honest, good typing and fast typing comes only with a two-handed device anyway. You have your Twitter and everything. It's got a 2.2 GHz Snapdragon quad-core processor, which is quite good. One really surprising thing about this phone is its camera. This is probably the best camera we have ever seen on a BlackBerry phone. This is definitely BlackBerry's best camera till date. It's got a 13 MP rear camera and a 2 MP front camera. So I really think this is BlackBerry's best phone till date. One thing that can confuse you about this phone is that how do you get out of an app? There are no back buttons or close buttons. For that, all you need to do is swipe up from the top and you get out of the app, and you can close it from here like a task manager. So overall, to be honest, BlackBerry Passport does look like a good phone. It doesn't look like a bad phone. It's got a steep learning curve to it, of course. It's as you can see, buttons on the side, the volume buttons and all that. You've got your 3.5 mm jack on the top, and the lock and unlock button. The back is pretty much the regular BlackBerry, it's a plastic polycarbonate back. There's a metalish rim on the side. You've got your USB slot, the mini USB port at the bottom of the device. The left side is pretty much empty. So overall, I quite like the BlackBerry Passport. It's unlike other phones. It's smooth, it feels very good. It's not a bad device, definitely.